A new dawn iPhone 16 Pro unveiled. The tech world held its breath. Apple, the perennial innovator, was about to unveil its latest creation. The iPhone 16 Pro, they promised, was not just an upgrade, it was a revolution. A glimpse into the future of smartphones. Expectations were high. Apple, as always, aimed to deliver. The iPhone 16 Pro promised a leap forward in design, performance, and user experience. It boasted cutting-edge technology, refined aesthetics, and a commitment to pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone could be. The whispers turned into roars as the device was unveiled. The iPhone 16 Pro was here. The design was captivating. The materials were premium. The technology was breathtaking. Apple had done it again. They had created an object of desire. But was it more than just a pretty face? The answer, it seemed, was a resounding yes. A feast for the eyes, design and display. The iPhone 16 Pro is a sight to behold. Apple has outdone itself with a design that is both elegant and durable. Gone is the stainless steel frame, replaced by a gleaming titanium chassis. This new material is not only stronger but also lighter, making the phone a joy to hold. The bezels around the display have shrunk even further, practically disappearing into the background. This gives the impression of a screen that floats effortlessly in your hand. And what a screen it is! Apple has opted for a stunning 6.9-inch 120Hz OLED panel that boasts incredible color accuracy, brightness, and clarity. But the real magic lies beneath the surface. Apple has finally perfected its under-display Face ID technology. The front-facing camera and sensors are now completely hidden, creating a truly uninterrupted display. Watching videos and playing games on this screen is an immersive experience unlike any other. Capturing the moment camera prowess. The camera has always been a cornerstone of the iPhone experience, and the iPhone 16 Pro takes it to new heights. The star of the show is the upgraded 50-megapixel main sensor. This larger sensor captures significantly more light, resulting in stunning images with incredible detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. Apple has also incorporated a 5x periscope zoom lens, allowing for incredible telephoto shots without sacrificing image quality. Gone are the days of grainy, zoomed-in photos. With the iPhone 16 Pro, you can capture distant subjects with sharpness and clarity. But the hardware is only half the story. Apple's computational photography prowess shines through with the new Smart HDR6. This advanced image processing pipeline analyzes scenes in real time, making intelligent adjustments to exposure, color, and detail to produce photos that are simply breathtaking. Section 4, Power and Performance, the A18 Pro chip. At the heart of the iPhone 16 Pro lies the A18 Pro chip, a technological marvel that redefines smartphone performance. This chip is not just faster than its predecessor, it's in a league of its own. With its enhanced CPU and GPU, the A18 Pro handles even the most demanding tasks with ease. Gaming on the iPhone 16 Pro is a revelation. Graphics are rendered with stunning fidelity, frame rates are buttery smooth, and load times are practically non-existent. But the A18 Pro is more than just a gaming powerhouse. It's also incredibly energy efficient, contributing to the phone's impressive battery life. Apple has also made significant strides in AI processing with the A18 Pro. The dedicated neural engine can now perform a staggering 18 trillion operations per second. This allows for on-device machine learning tasks that were previously unimaginable, paving the way for exciting new AI-powered features. Section 5, the AI Revolution: Intelligence at your fingertips. The iPhone 16 Pro isn't just powerful, it's intelligent. Apple has seamlessly integrated AI into every aspect of the user experience, making the phone feel like an extension of your mind. Siri, now powered by on-device AI, is more responsive and intuitive than ever before. It can understand your requests with remarkable accuracy and even anticipate your needs. Real-time translation is another area where AI shines. The iPhone 16 Pro can translate conversations, text, and even images instantly, breaking down language barriers and connecting people like never before. These AI advancements are further enhanced by iOS 18, the latest version of Apple's mobile operating system. iOS 18 introduces a host of new features and improvements, including a redesigned control center, enhanced privacy settings, and a more proactive and helpful Siri. But perhaps the most significant aspect of iOS 18 is its ability to learn your habits and preferences, personalizing your iPhone experience in ways never before possible. The iPhone 16 Pro is a testament to Apple's relentless pursuit of innovation. It's a device that pushes the boundaries of technology, design, and user experience. But the question remains, is this the future of smartphones? The answer is a resounding yes.